Reliable Asphalt Corporation, located just off the Stevenson Expressway at 3741 South Pulaski in Chicago, has established itself as one of the largest recyclers of construction and demolition debris in the Chicago area. Since the 1990s, the company has been accepting these materials and implementing sustainable technologies to process the discarded concrete and asphalt into recycled products for use in sewer, water main, and road construction projects. For the past decade, both the Chicago Department of Water Management and the Chicago Department of Transportation have been disposing a portion of their concrete, asphalt slabs, grindings, and soil with Reliable Asphalt Corporation and utilizing several of the recycling end products, most notably CA6 6040. Currently, in-house city water department crews use CA6 6040 as trench backfill in sewer reconstruction projects, and CDOT uses it as a subbase under curbs, gutters, sidewalks, and streets. This product meets Illinois DOT trench backfill specifications, and upon minor modifications to existing city specifications, would be ideal for use in all water management and CDOT projects. With over $1 million in recent upgrades to its processing plant and facility, Reliable Asphalt Corporation is able to produce in excess of 300,000 tons of the CA6 6040 product annually, along with similar quantities of CA7, CA16, and FA6, with roughly 95% of the concrete and asphalt components of the products coming directly from City of Chicago excavation. The recycled CA6 6040 product begins as excavated broken concrete, asphalt slabs, and asphalt grindings from City of Chicago construction projects. These raw materials are derived primarily from city street reconstruction jobs and are stockpiled near the crushing and screening equipment, with the concrete debris separated from the asphalt. Concrete slabs are fed from the stockpile into a jaw crusher. The jaw crushes the concrete down to a 6-inch minus product. Any rebar or other metals contained within the concrete pieces is extracted via an overhead magnet and deposited in a container for recycling. The remaining concrete material passes along 3 conveyors until it reaches a double-deck screen, where it falls through either a 2-inch or 1 3/8-inch sieve. Only the concrete that passes through the 1 3/8-inch screen is funneled into a mechanical blending bin for processing as part of the final CA6 6040 product. On the other side of the processing, broken asphalt and grindings are fed into an impactor where they are crushed down to an approximately 1-inch particle. The crushed asphalt is then placed on a conveyor and passed under a magnet, removing all metals for further recycling. The asphalt is then passed over a double-deck screen with a 1-inch sieve. Particles passing through the screen are deposited in a bin for blending with the concrete component. Any oversized particle is rerouted through the system until it passes through the 1-inch screen, thereby ensuring that 100% of the processed asphalt from City of Chicago projects ends up in the final mix. Once both the concrete and asphalt components have been crushed to their appropriate sizes and fed into the blending bins, they are metered out separately onto belts that run beneath the blending bin feeder system by weight, as determined by a mechanical calibration, such that 60% of the total weight consists of concrete and the remaining 40% asphalt. The materials are transported onto a collecting conveyor and carried into a pug mill. There, paddles mix and compact the 2 materials together. The final product is then placed onto a stacking conveyor, where it is deposited into a stockpile for loadout onto a truck for delivery. Recently, Reliable Asphalt Corporation has introduced the concept of blending either recycled concrete or virgin limestone chips with an asphalt chip derived from fractionated RAC to create a 6040 chip for use in Chicago Department of Water Management projects. Water management already uses both recycled concrete chips and virgin limestone chips in its water main construction. The process of blending these materials with a fractionated RAC particle to create this new recycled product would be nearly identical to the one used in creating CA6 6040. Reliable Asphalt Corporation anticipates extending a bid credit to the City of Chicago for 6040 chips as compared to the traditional virgin chips price. Reliable Asphalt Corporation has established itself as the preeminent recycler of City of Chicago construction debris. It is dedicated to providing cost-effective solutions for the city's disposal needs, as well as dependable, green products to bring a cleaner, stronger future.